Some mornings, you don't need a reason to go. You just need the right boat. This is the Azimut Fly 60, and the day starts on the water. Built in Italy by Azimut, the Fly 60 is designed around one idea. The best living space on a boat this size is the one that's open to the sky. Twin diesels get you moving with room to spare. You're past the breakwater and into open water before the coffee's even cold. Carbon fiber up top keeps the ride settled when the wind picks up. Foredeck opens into a full lounge. Flybridge unfolds above it, open to the sky, all the way aft. Step outside and you're never far from the rail. The Flybridge is where the day ends, open to the sky, the kind of spot you don't leave until the light's gone. Foredeck sun pads for the slow mornings at anchor. Aft cockpit set up for grilling, dining, whatever the evening calls for. And when the light turns gold, this is a boat built to be out in it. Down below, there's a cabin waiting whenever you're ready to slow down. But that's not really the point of a boat like this. The point is everything above deck. This isn't a boat you look at on a Saturday. It's a boat you live on by 8 in the morning. For full specifications and availability, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Kaya from Minted Yachts. For additional information, feel free to email me at info@mintedyachts.com or hit us up at yachtspecsdirect.com. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com and find your water.